Let me try to explain what one of the problems with the swing arm is. This is supposed to be a schematic of the frame. It has these four pieces of steel plate that are welded into the frame, and this is a tube that is welded in between the inner plates here. On this side there's a threaded hole, on the other side there's a plain hole. The hole in the tube is the diameter is a bit larger than the axle. It could have been the same diameter, but that would of course have been a much more costly operation building the frame. So the axle goes in here and is screwed in this thread here until it reaches the stop over there, and then it's secured with the nut here and also on the other side. So the two fixing points are here on the outside. But when the swing arm works, it flexes like this, and what you really would like to have are some fixing points on the inside here also, so you would stiffen everything up here. They sort of have thought of that because there are two brackets mounted on each side with holes that are supposed to have the same diameter as the axle. So when the axle is in, you secure these brackets in line with the axle. But this is a very thin bracket and it wears out and it wears the axle. If we look at the used ones, and especially that one is very bad, you can see they all have wear marks. So what I'm doing is this: I'm boring out this tube here in both ends, about 15 millimeters deep, so I have a hole that is in line with the axle. I then make two bushings with inside diameters that have a tight fit to the axle. These bushings are then fitted to the frame and glued in with Loctite. So when the axle is in, I will have these fixed points on the inside part of the frame also. The original axle and these aftermarket ones aren't very well suited for this design because they have a smaller diameter on this inner part here. With this one, it would only be about 10 millimeters that then would meet up with the bushings, and this one is only about 5 millimeters. So I'm making an axle that has the same diameter all the way through, and which is surface hardened. So you'll get a stiffer axle that of course also will be able to take advantage of these the length of the bushings.